AI formula. Everyone has the tool. Why are only a few earning millions? At 2 in the morning, two people are sitting in front of laptops in the same city. Both have internet, both have ChatGPT, both have the exact same AI tools. The first guy makes AI write, create a post for me. The post gets made, he gets happy, and the next day he does the exact same thing again. The second guy asks that same AI, what is my customer's biggest problem? How do I automate this, and who will pay money for this? This is where the story changes. This is the fear. If everyone has the tool, is the opportunity really equal for everyone, or has AI created a new gap? When ChatGPT went public in November 2022, the world felt as if the door to knowledge had opened. Ask any question, and you will get an answer. Then Gemini came, Claude came, Copilot came, Grok came. Along with smartphones and the internet, powerful intelligence arrived in everyone's pocket. But a few years later, reality hit. Crores of people are using AI, yet the number of people earning millions is very small. This is where the biggest mystery begins. The difference is not in the tool, the difference is in the human being who is getting work done from the tool. AI does not earn money by itself. AI only gives speed. Money comes from the understanding that turns a real problem into a paid solution. Hand a hammer to everyone. Someone will drive a nail with it, someone will build a house, and someone will just keep spinning it in their hand. AI is also like that. Someone makes it write a poem, someone gets an entire company's workflow designed through it. The first formula lies right here. AI becomes income when it reduces the pain of some person, business, or industry. A restaurant is troubled every day counting orders on WhatsApp. Staff makes mistakes, customers get upset, and the owner's time gets wasted. Now, someone builds a simple order tracking system using AI, automates menu replies, and generates daily sales reports. That same AI is now no longer entertainment but a business asset. A doctor has to summarize patient notes. A lawyer has to review contracts. A teacher has to create personalized worksheets. In all these places, AI can work, but only when the user understands the real problem of that field. Which means domain expertise is the multiplier for AI. For someone who doesn't understand the industry, AI just generates pretty answers. The biggest difference is in the skill gap. Many people consider AI to be a search box, like a slightly smarter version of Google. But the people moving ahead manage AI like an intern, analyst, editor, coder, salesman, and operations assistant. They don't just write prompts, they give roles, give context, give data, and check the quality of the output. Prompt engineering doesn't mean a magic sentence. It means briefing the AI just as you explain work to a new employee. If you say write a video script, the result will be average. If you specify the audience, tone, emotion, structure, hook, and objective, the output will change. But there is a twist. Millions aren't made just from prompts either. A prompt opens the door, the business is built inside. Real money is not in selling prompts, but in building a repeatable system, a system that saves time, cuts costs, or increases revenue. Writing an article is easy, but building a content engine that provides research, scripts, thumbnails, upload plans, and analytics every day, that is the big game. Generating an image is easy, but testing 100 ad variations for a brand and finding a winning campaign, that is business value. Writing an email is easy, but automating customer support to reduce response time and increase retention, that makes money. The pattern interrupt is right here. People earning millions with AI aren't selling content, they are selling outcomes. The customer doesn't care whether you use ChatGPT or Claude. They care whether their sales increased or not. The market doesn't pay for emotions, it pays for value. The bigger the pain, the greater the willingness to pay. That's why choosing the right niche is crucial. AI opportunity is everywhere, but high-value opportunity is not everywhere. In sectors like health, finance, legal, education, cybersecurity, logistics, and enterprise software, even a small improvement can save big money. Meanwhile, in the world of generic quotes, random images, and ordinary articles, competition has grown so much that prices keep dropping lower. Today, there is no shortage of content on the internet. What is lacking is trust, clarity, and things that actually solve problems. This is the reason there is a difference between an AI creator and an AI entrepreneur. A creator produces output. An entrepreneur turns output into a product and a process. A YouTuber uses AI to write a script, that is basic usage. But if that same creator uses AI to study topic research, retention analysis, title testing, and audience behavior, the game runs deep. A freelancer makes a logo with AI, that is a service. But if they build an AI-powered brand kit system, that can become a product. A student gets an assignment done by AI, that is a shortcut. If that same student learns a skill with AI and solves a real client's problem, income can begin. According to McKinsey's 2025 global survey, 88% of organizations were regularly using AI in at least one business function, but scaling was still not easy for everyone. This gap is the opportunity. Companies are trying AI, but many companies are unable to understand how to fit it into their workflow. AI agents have also come into discussions rapidly, systems that don't just answer, but can plan and execute multi-step work. McKinsey reported in 2025 that 62% of organizations were in the experiment or scaling stage with AI agents. But widespread adoption was still in its beginning. Microsoft's Work Trend Index report put forward the idea of an agent boss where a human will build, delegate and manage AI agents. Meaning, in the future, the most valuable person won't be the one who gets an answer out of AI. Valuable will be the one who can run a team of AI. This is just like how using a computer was once a skill, then using the internet became normal, and then building a digital business became the real edge. AI's path is also the same. First, people will ask questions, then people will automate, then people will manage an entire team of AI agents. Now the real AI formula begins to look clear. Identify the problem, understand the domain, provide data, give the right instructions, and take it to the market. But many people forget the last step, distribution. Even if you build a good product, if it doesn't reach the customer, money won't come. An app can be built with AI, but AI won't handle user acquisition on its own. You will also have to build trust, branding, sales, and relationships. This is the old truth of business. Technology may be new, but a customer's trust is still won in a human way. Work will happen faster with AI, but wrong work can also happen faster. That is why verification is the invisible shield of earning. AI can confidently give a wrong answer, fabricate data, or miss context. Without human judgment, this mistake can become costly. The Stanford AI Index 2026 also highlighted this major point, that AI capability is growing rapidly, but the preparation to manage it is not growing as fast. Therefore, people who don't accept AI output blindly but check, improve and deploy it, they are the ones who move ahead. Continuous learning is no longer optional. AI tools change every few months, and a new feature makes an old skill ordinary. The beginner mistake is that people keep collecting tools. A real learner picks up one tool, creates a real workflow with it, and then measures the result. If the result doesn't come, they change the prompt, change the process, change the offer. This experimentation generates income. In a country like India, the AI opportunity is even more interesting. Here, there are crores of small businesses that don't need fancy AI, but simple automation. A coaching center needs lead follow-ups. A clinic needs appointment reminders. A mandi trader needs rate updates and stock sheets. A local shopkeeper needs a customer list. A transport business needs routes and a billing system. These problems seem small, but money is hidden right here. Perfect English is not necessary for AI success. What is necessary is understanding the customer's language, listening to their trouble, and making the solution simple. Many people think they don't know coding, so they cannot make money with AI. But in the AI era, coding is one path, not the entire field. No-code tools, automation platforms, templates, agents, and custom workflows have opened paths for non-technical people as well. But opening a path and reaching the destination are different things. Behind every tool, business thinking is required. The mindset of people earning millions is different. They don't ask AI, "What can you do?" They ask, "What can you solve for my customer?" This question itself is the game changer. Because AI's capability may seem infinite, but the market only rewards useful capability. Now see for yourself. That same ChatGPT writes jokes for someone, validates a startup idea for someone, and becomes a sales machine for someone else. The tool is the same, but the operator is different. The input looks the same, but the intention is different. The output starts the same, but the strategy goes differently. AI made the opportunity equal, but it did not make the outcome equal. The outcome is still decided by curiosity, discipline, skill, and execution. The most satisfying truth is this: AI did not give a shortcut to make money, it gave unfair speed to capable people. One who understood the problem earlier can now solve it faster. One who thought about business earlier can now test it faster. One who worked alone earlier can now work with an AI team. But for someone who was just looking for a shortcut, AI can become yet another new distraction. So the AI formula is not a secret prompt. It is the understanding of the problem, grip on the domain, systems thinking, building of trust, and continuous improvement. In the time to come, everyone will have AI, just like everyone has a smartphone. But having a smartphone doesn't make everyone a creator, trader, or entrepreneur. The difference will come from whether you make AI a toy, make it an assistant, or make it a business engine. And the final question stops right here. Next time when you open AI, will you just ask it for an answer, or will you get a system built for which the world is ready to pay money?
This video has taught you something new. Or if you feel this information should reach more people, don't forget to like and share the video. Your small share can become valuable and useful information for someone else. If you have any questions related to this topic, or if you would like to share your opinion with us, be sure to write in the comment box. We read every question and suggestion from you, because your feedback inspires us to create better content. And if you want to keep receiving such interesting and reliable information about business, the economy, and the world in the future, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel GRT Business and also press the bell icon so that you get notifications of every new video directly. At GRT Business, we always strive to provide you with accurate, balanced, and reliable information. Our news and analysis are prepared based on information obtained from various news agencies, public sources, and public opinion. We make every effort to verify and validate each fact as much as possible. But in case of any possible error or dispute, the responsibility lies with the respective sources. Our only aim is to present you with a correct and trustworthy perspective so that you can understand any topic better.